हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया का जो लीगल ऑफिसर की जो पोस्ट है उसमें का टॉपिक कवर कर रहे हैं। आप बेसिक ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट। ओके, इसके पहले भी अपन ने बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए हैं, मतलब टॉपिक वाइज भी, और मॉक पेपर भी सॉल्व किया है। वो भी आप एक बार देख लीजिए, क्योंकि पेपर को अभी सिर्फ 5 to 6 डेज बचे हैं। उसके हिसाब से अपने को यहाँ पे अभी प्रिपरेशन करना पड़ेगा। ओके, जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो, क्योंकि इसके बाद में इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चंस भी बताऊंगा, तो वो नोटिफिकेशन तो आपको डायरेक्टली मिल जाए। ओके, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन बेसिक ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट के क्वेश्चन। ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे देखिए, द इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट 1872 अप्लाइज टू। आंसर इज बोथ सिविल एंड क्रिमिनल केसेस। Next, second, the Indian Evidence Act was enacted by. Answer is the Governor General of India in Council. Next, third, the main objective of Indian Evidence Act 1872 is. Answer is provide a framework for admissibility of evidence. Next, fourth, the Indian Evidence Act define the term evidence under section. Answer is section 3. Next, 5. Section 3 of the Evidence Indian Act define evidence as. Answer is all document, oral statement and physical evidence. Next, 6. Which of the following is classified as a oral evidence under Indian Evidence Act? Answer is statement made by witness in court. Next, 7. Documentary evidence refers to. Answer is written documents such as contract, letter or records. Next, 8. What is the primary difference between oral and documentary evidence under the Indian Evidence Act? Answer is oral evidence is based on witness testimony, while documentary evidence is based on written document. Next, 9th. What does Section 59 of Indian Evidence Act deal with? Answer is exclusion of oral evidence when documentary evidence exists. Next, 10th. What type of evidence is considered the most reliable under the Indian Evidence Act? Answer is documentary evidence. Next, 11th. In which situation the statement of dead person admissible in court? The answer is if it is relevant to the case and fall under exception of dying declaration. Next, 12th. Under section 8, the Indian Evidence Act, what kind of fact are relevant in the case? The answer is fact which shows the intention, motivate or state of mind of person. Next, 13. Which section of Indian Evidence Act deal with relevancy of fact that are part of the same transaction? The answer is section 6. Next, 14. The base evidence rule is contained in which section of Indian Evidence Act? The answer is section 61. Next, 15. Under the Indian Evidence Act, which document is considered secondary evidence? Answer is a copy made from original document if the original is unavailable. Next, 16. Which of the following is true about witness under Indian Evidence Act? Answer is a witness must be able to understand the nature of proceedings. Next, 17. Section 118 of Indian Evidence Act deal with. Answer is the competency of witness. Next, 18. Under Section 118, who is considered competent to testify as witness? Answer is a person who understands the question, can give a rational answer. Next, 19. Which section of Indian Evidence Act deal with examination of witness? Answer is section 137. Next, 20. What is cross-examination in the context of Indian Evidence Act? Answer is the questioning of witness by opposing party. Next, 21. Section 4 of Indian Evidence Act define presumption as. Answer is a legal assumption made by court in a specific circumstance. Next, 22. Which sections of Indian Evidence Act deal with presumption as to the genuineness of document? Answer is section 90. Next, 23. Under section 114 of Indian Evidence Act, which of the following fact is presumed by court? Answer is that a letter sent by post has reached the address. Next, 24. Which of the following is not presumed under section 118 of Indian Evidence Act? Answer is children can testify freely without restriction. Next, 25. Which of the following is example of rebutable presumption under the Evidence Act? Answer is presumption of legitimacy of child, then second presumption of innocence in criminal case, and presumptions of document in genius after 30 years. So answer is all of the above. Next, 26. Hearsay evidence is generally, so is not admissible unless it can exception to the hearsay rule. Next, 27. Which section of Indian Evidence Act deal with hearsay evidence? The answer is section 60. Next, 28. Which of the following is an exception to the hearsay rule under the Indian Evidence Act? The answer is dying declaration. Next, 29. A dying declaration is admissible under section 32 of Indian Evidence Act when? The answer is, देखिए, the declarant believed they are about to die and the statement is made the state consciousness. Answer is both A and C. Next, 13. Under which section is the statement made by person who is unable to testify admissible as a evidence? Answer is section 33. Next, 31. Which section of Indian Evidence Act deal with proof of contents of document? Answer is section 62. Next, 32. Which of the following is not type of evidence as per Indian Evidence Act? Answer is circumstantial evidence. Next, 33. Under the Indian Evidence Act, which of the following is a document that require a certificate for its admissibility? Answer is electronic record. Next, 34. Which section deal with presumption of existence of certain facts such as legitimacy of child? Answer is section 112. Next, 35. Which of the following is a provision for admissibility of secondary evidence? Answer is section 65. Next, 36. Which of the following is true regarding relevancy of fact under the Indian Evidence Act? Answer is fact that can be related to motivate, preparation or conduct are relevant. Next, 37. Section 59 of Indian Evidence Act prescribe that evidence must be. Answer is oral. Next, 38. Under section 64 of Indian Evidence Act, document is to be proved by. Answer is primary evidence except when secondary evidence is allowed. Next, 39. Section 65B of Indian Evidence Act deal with admissibility of. Answer is computer generated evidence. Next, 40. Under section 66 of Indian Evidence Act, which of the following can be used as a secondary evidence? Answer is a photocopy of document when the original is lost. Next, 41. Which of the following is not permissible mode of examining the witness under Evidence Act? Answer is impeachment. डायरेक्ट एग्जामिनेशन कर सकते हैं, क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन होता है, री एग्जामिनेशन होता है, लेकिन इम्पीचमेंट नहीं होता है. नेक्स्ट, 42. सेक्शन 136 ऑफ इंडियन एविडेंस एक्ट deal with judge power to. The answer is determine the relevancy of evidence before it is admitted. Next, 43. Under section 137 of Indian Evidence Act, the examination of witness consists of. The answer is direct examination, followed by cross examination and then re-examination. Okay. Next, 44. Which section of Indian Evidence Act allows party to re-examine a witness after cross-examination? Answer is section 138. Next, 45. Under the Indian Evidence Act, which of the following is a reason for court to disallow cross-examination? Answer is when the question are irrelevant, when the question are asked in bad faith, and if the question is not related to case. The answer is all of the above. Next, 46. Under section 112 of Indian Evidence Act, child born during a marriage is presumed to be. Answer is legitimate unless proven otherwise. Next, 47. Section 114 of Indian Evidence Act allows the court to presume. Answer is that person who is not present in the court presumed dead, and second, that the letter properly addressed and posted has reached the address. Answer is both B and C. Next, 48. Which of the following fact can be presumed under section 114 of Indian Evidence Act? Answer is a letter sent through post has been received by the recipients. Next, 49. Section 81 of Indian Evidence Act allows the court to assume the genuineness of which type of document? The document more than 30 years old. नेक्स्ट जो मॉक पेपर रहेगा वो अपना सब्जेक्ट वाइज भी रहेगा एंड इंपॉर्टेंट प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड एमसीक्यूज भी अपन सॉल्व करेंगे. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू.